Hello friends, welcome to an exciting journey through the history and transformation of one of the world's most renowned financial institution named Goldman Sachs. And Goldman Sachs is not just an institution. It is more than just the name on the Wall Street. It is a symbol of power, prestige, and adaptation. Join us as we explore the fascinating evolution of Goldman Sachs from its beginning as an elite financial institution serving the head of the state, head of the corporation, and billionaires to its ambitious pivot towards serving the everyday consumer. Discovering how this iconic bank, which was once called the vampire squid, has now been admired by many, has reinvented itself over the years. Let us go into the past, present, and the future of Goldman Sachs in this detailed video. Goldman Sachs has immense success being rooted into the historical adaptability and commitment to innovation which they have brought into the finance industry. So let us start with the journey. Goldman Sachs was actually founded by a German immigrant named Marcus Goldman way back in 1869. He came to New York City with his family and set up a small office on Pine Street in Lower Manhattan. At that time, getting a bank loan was very tough and very expensive. So Marcus had this clever idea. He could buy the promissory note from local merchants and then sell these notes to bigger banks. This is basically how the commercial paper business began. Now, what is interesting is that Marcus brought his son-in-law, Samuel, into the business in 1882, and later his own son, Henry Goldman, joined in 1885. With their involvement, the company's name changed to Goldman Sachs and Company. By 1896, Goldman Sachs and Company expanded by opening offices in different cities, offering more financial services and joining the New York Stock Exchange in 1896. This brought into the wide range of clients, established them as one of the major players into the finance world. Do you know that this is the picture? Goldman Sachs has a significant role in launching Ford Motors IPO in that time. Goldman was not just expanding, they were well prepared firm because they had served and company during the 1929 crash when many other firms actually failed. They adapted by concentrating on merger acquisition and by maintaining cautious approach of managing risk. This resilience and this adaptability helped them to endure the financial crisis and establish themselves as a flexible and sturdy financial institution across the globe. Over the next 25 years, Goldman Sachs transformed it into a full-fledged investment banking service in the United States. And over here, there are also many of the famous bankers were referred as Mr. Wall Street. What has been the expansion of Goldman Sachs worldwide? In the late 1960s, Goldman Sachs decided to venture beyond US borders to serve better clients across the globe and participate into international merger and acquisition field. They established operation outside the United States, engaged in various financial activities. This move solidified their position as being the global financial market expert and dominant. They opened their first overseas office in London in 1970, followed by their office in Tokyo, Zurich in 74. In 1972, the formation of fixed income department, which was very, very crucial in the Goldman Sachs, rapidly became one of the prominent players in underwriting and trading various bonds, including the government and the corporate bond. Next, they created a real estate department, which paved the way for their leadership in selling and financing major commercial properties. As the global capital market expanded and became more interconnected, financial needs of Goldman Sachs clients became more international. To meet these challenges, the company had significantly expanded its operation in different countries in different parts of the world. As Goldman Sachs diversified its activity, it continued to extend its global presence. They initiated equity trading in Tokyo in 1984, allowing them to provide round-the-clock coverage of major capital markets. In 1985, the firm was selected as one of the first 6 non-Japanese companies to join the Tokyo Stock Exchange. In 1991, Goldman Sachs became the first international securities company permitted to open a banking subsidiary in Japan. Simultaneously, the company expanded its European operation as the West European countries moved towards a single market concept. The London office grew to over 1,000 employees, becoming the company's largest operation after New York and a major player in the international merger and equity offering. Goldman Sachs has been in India for quite some time, since 1980. They've set up a big office in Bangalore, making it their 3rd largest office in the world. That's a very big deal because it shows that they're taking India seriously. Now, they have been a part of some major financial moves in India. For instance, they have helped with a $7 billion right issue of Reliance Industry in 2020, which is one of the biggest in India. They also played a major role in ArcelorMittal's $7 billion purchase of SR Steel in 1990 and Flipkart's massive $17 billion billion sale to Walmart in 2018. These deals are huge and show how Goldman Sachs is very important in Indian financial market. Overall, the global financial market giant Goldman Sachs is making waves in the finance world with a presence in many countries like US, UK, China, Japan, India, and they are becoming a key player in the global economy. Their track record of delivering successful IPO, successful mergers, successful acquisition, and innovation in the financial product has been the key to their industry leadership. Stay up to date by visiting their website. And also, Goldman Sachs has been around for almost 150 years, and they have been adapting to new situations in the business, and they are making sure that the new ideas and new ways of handling risk is being taken care in their business, and also making sure that their customers are protected. All of these things help them to survive, still remain one of the biggest players in the financial world.